Hi everyone, I'm Parul Bhati from Cogniscient Business Solutions. So today I'll be sharing 5 features about SAP Business One. Number 1 feature is customization. SAP Business One allows you to customize your interface to fit your specific business needs, from adjusting layouts to adding custom fields. Make it work for you. Feature number 2, user-defined fields. Take advantage of user-defined fields to capture unique data points important to your business operation. This feature allows you to tailor the software to extract requirements. So third feature is data import. Save time by importing your existing data into SAP Business One, whether it's customer list or product catalogs. Importing data can streamline your setup process. Fourth feature is document templates. Customize your document templates such as invoices, purchasing order to reflect your brand identity. Impress your clients with professional designs documents. So the fifth one is workflow approval. Set up workflow approval to ensure proper authorization for key business processes. This helps maintain control and accountability within your organizations. Whether you are a small business or growing enterprises, leveraging these features can help you optimize your business processes. So why don't you join Cogniscient Business Solutions to grow your business?